video, we'll see how to resolve the errors in WebGST coming on importation of data. You can see here that in outward supplies, number of invalid invoices are 4 and in inward supplies, the invoices are 2. Here, the option of move to computation is also given. You can directly move to the computation and do your work there, or you can resolve the errors first and then move to the computation. Firstly, we'll resolve the outward supplies error. Here you can see the description of the error is coming and number of invoices in which errors are there are also shown here. You can export the errors by clicking on export error, or you can export the invoices in which errors are coming by clicking on export. The next option is for download template and the next is validate. Once your data is error free, you can click on validate to check the validity. Now we'll resolve the errors one by one. Firstly, the error is IGST should be applicable instead of CGST and SGST. We'll double click on the error and you can see in this invoice IGST is applicable instead of CGST and SGST. We'll enter the correct rate and amount and delete the wrong one. Click on back. You can see that the error is deleted from here. Next is all the taxes to be 0 in case of nil rate, exempt and non-GST. Here the supply type is exempt, so there shouldn't be any rate and amount. So we'll delete this. Click on back. Next is mismatch in IGST rate and value. Here the taxable value is 100, so 18% of 100 is 18 rupees. Back. Next is mismatch in CGST rate and value and mismatch in SGST rate and value. We'll double click on this 1000 and the rate is 6%, so it should be 60. Similarly in SGST also. Now you can see the errors are removed from here. We'll click on save and continue. The data is saved successfully. Similarly, we'll click on inward supplies. Here the error is CGST and SGST should be applicable instead of IGST. So we'll insert the amount here and rate here. And delete this one. Available as ITC in CGST and SGST column and delete from IGST. Similarly, we'll do the correction here also. Save and continue. Our data is saved successfully. Computation will open automatically. So this is how we can resolve the errors in WebGST.